Tap it. There you go. Now let's listen. Wait, let's listen. Put a tom on the one. Now listen, 3 notes. See the 3 notes? Very easy to follow this beat. Pretend they're hot. There you go. Not bad. You like it or do you want to adjust it? All right? Go ahead and change it. You can move those notes around. Nice. All right, let's go ahead and give it up for Hayden on that beat. All right? Thank you very much, Hayden. All right, now let's listen. Different sound, right? Light up the 1 beat on the kick. Now listen. All right. Keep going. I'm going to record it this time. Keep going. Watch the screen while I record. I like that beat. Let's give it up for Stacy on that beat. Thank you very much, Stacy. Can you do that? Try that. It's okay. And now it sounds like this. Got one more job for you, Mark. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. There you go. Let's go ahead and give it up for Devon. Good job. Hey. Keep going. Keep going. Very good, Natasha, that was very good. Give me a high five there. You can take a seat. And Penny is doing Orange Justice next to me. He thinks I can't see him, but I got my eyes right here. I'm like, oh, he's got good moves, all right? But can he make a melody? All right, Orange Justice, you ready, Orange Justice? All right, good, he's ready. That actually sounds pretty good. Let's go ahead and give it up for Penny. Orange Justice, okay. Have a seat. Good dance moves. Whenever you're ready, I want you to say, put your hands up, or put your hands in the air, preferably like that. Okay, here we go. And everybody be super quiet because it's going to come in through the mic. You ready? There we go.
Put your hands up.
There we go. Let's go ahead and give Laura a hand.
Put your hands up.
Very good. You can go. So Laura can play with me. For example, if I play a beat, can you just play something?
Put your hands up. Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. Hands up, hands up, hands up. Hands up.
Give it up for Laura. Thank you very much. All right. I want you to think about what your favorite food is. What is your favorite food, okay? Stay right there. Think about it. And you guys can wait back here with my stuff, but don't touch anything, okay? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
My name is Jenny. My favorite food is pizza.
My name is Mason. My favorite food is salad.
My name is Jenny. My name is Jenny. My name is Jenny. My name is Jenny. My name is Jenny.
guys very much for watching that. Once again, before you leave, thank you. Before you guys leave, hold on, before you guys leave. Once again, my name is Mr. Howe from Mixed Major, and before I go, I gotta ask you guys something. Who thinks that this is a creative activity? Okay? Creative. Who, hands down now, who really enjoys being creative? You guys are just like me, okay? I'm being completely serious right now. If you keep being creative, play your instruments, right? Once you start learning your instrument, start learning how to make stuff. If you guys ever want to learn how to make music, come to my school. But learn how to make. Keep making, creating. Because if you do, then maybe one day you can tour the world for 3 million people and play in 36 countries. Does that make sense? If you keep being creative, you will learn how to be able to create whatever you want in your life, okay? All right, promise me you'll be creative, yes? All right, awesome. Thank you guys very much. My name is Mr. Howell. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.